Ingredients: 200 grams gluten-free flour with xanthan gum, or gluten-free flour plus 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon gluten-free baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons canola oil or sunflower oil, 180 milliliters very warm water, about 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. In a big bowl, mix together the gluten-free flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the warm water and vegetable oil, then stir until everything is nicely blended. Get your hands in there and keep mixing until you've got a ball of dough and all the liquid is soaked up. Now get your stove going on medium-high heat so you can preheat your greased cast iron pan or any other heavy pan while you work on the dough. Grab a piece of dough about the size of a golf ball and roll it into a ball. You should end up with 8 dough balls. To keep the dough from drying out, cover the bowl with a towel while you're rolling out the balls. Use a rolling pin to roll out each ball into a 7 inches or 18 centimeter circle. Place the tortillas in the greased pan and cook them over medium-high heat until they're lightly browned, about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. You want them to have a few bubbles on the top and a few light brown spots on the underside when you flip them. Stack the cooked tortillas on a plate and cover them with a towel to keep them warm. Once they've cooled completely, store them in a plastic bag in the fridge.